Welcome to Brain Vision.
So in this problem, the spring constant does not change, but the mass does change, so the frequency will change. So we can use equation 11.6b to relate the spring constant, the mass, and the frequency for oxygen and sulfur. So frequency is defined by 1 over 2 pi square root of k over m, and from there we can write k over 4 pi squared is equal to f squared m, which is constant because k is a constant term and 4 pi is just a number. So from there we can write f square, or the frequency for oxygen squared times mass of oxygen, is equal to frequency of sulfur squared times mass of sulfur. So now from there, if we try to solve for the the frequency of sulfur, we see that this is frequency of oxygen times square root of mass of oxygen by mass of sulfur. So we have 3.7 times 10 to the power 13 hertz for the frequency of oxygen. Then mass of oxygen is 16 and mass of sulfur is 32. So combining this, we see that the frequency of sulfur is 2.6 times 10 to the power 13 hertz. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next.